Hey guys, what y'all building today? So today I've got, well, a bunch of different stuff here. This I got about a month ago on sale, and I got it using points, so I paid absolutely nothing for it. So that was like bonus for me there. That was a good haul. And then the last week I went out and used some points because that setup there I wanted for the tracks for GBC, and I wanted the Banta. And I just happened to see this one reduced at 50%, so it was like 12 bucks for Queen whatever wannabe. So I'm going to try to get those ones built today. Plus we got some other stuff down back there to do. So I'm going to be doing that as well. And yeah, so we got enough to keep us going for a few days anyway. And let me know what you guys are all doing in this wonderful time of being to yourselves. So that's what we're doing. So we will talk to you again in the next video. Bye for now. Have fun sorting, building, doing whatever you're doing in this time of despair. Talk to you later.